Welcome to our channel Travel Journeys, where me, there's Jennifer,
and D1.
take you to places. It's day one of our journey. So we have reached Miami. As you know, this is our hotel. We're staying at the Hampton Inn, Hallandale Hotel. We have also taken a car. Enter our car. You have to be more details of the car. So
welcome to Vice City of GTA. People who are good fan of GTA Vice City. So we are in Miami, but not at South Beach right now. We are in Hallandale area. Yes, and I think
the rental car. How did you get the rental car?
So we got the rental car from the airport itself. We did some research. We checked 3-4 companies, and we realized one of the company had a very good deal, which was including all insurance and toll pass. So the deal was all inclusive but much cheaper than all other companies. So
and
we ended up from dollar. I think it's around $1,300 with toll pass and I think even car rental insurance for 10 days. So yes.
So let's see our car. Sunshine State as their name number. For example, this car is from Constitution State, and this is from New York. That's how the trend is over here. So let's look at the car. It's comfortable for 5.
Most favorite snack and breakfast meal. I should make this continuously in India. I'm so happy to see this here. This is the best thing ever.
And Dad's happy with his oats. Turn it over.
Yes.
So 20 minutes and we have to wait.
So till then we go and pick up some other things.
From Miami to Orlando, we have taken a stop at Port Lucie neighborhood. I guess it's a neighborhood. So let me just talk to you about Miami. So Miami is like one of the most important cities in Florida state, USA. As you all know, Florida is called the Sunshine State, and because obviously of its weather, compared to other parts of US, it's on a brighter and a sunnier side. The weather is beautiful, as you can see. Clear skies, amazing weather. You can wear your shorts and your sleeveless tops. It's just amazing. Yeah. Also, Miami is famous for its cruise ships, and it's supposed to be one of the most important cruise ports in US, like the largest, I believe. Plus, Miami gets its name from a tribe that lived here like maybe in 1600s, called the Miami tribes, so it gets its name from there. And another fun fact from Miami is the first Burger King opened in 1954, so you can imagine the fast food culture had come back in the day. And it's also known for its nightlife, especially the South Beach. So basically we have 3 parts of Miami: the North Beach area, the Mid Beach and the South Beach. and the South Beach is where all the nightlife happens. So I think we will be taking Airbnb in the South Beach point during the later half of our trip. So that's it, I guess. A short stop. Just want to stretch our legs and take some shots and to give you a feel of how the place looks. Enjoy. At Disney Springs. For the music, it's a chill vibe here. And first we're off to eat something because we're really hungry. The Disney Springs area was just beautiful. The vibes were so chill. There were people all around, there were dining options, and there were a lot of things to see. So We wanted to eat something, but because of the reservations, we just couldn't. So then we decided to head somewhere to eat. But then before we do that, we wanted to visit Sprinkles Cupcake, and after a lot of searching around, we found it. Yay! Sprinkles Cupcake has its own Sprinkles Cupcake ATM, and we were just thrilled to experience it. So it's like an interactive display. You choose your cupcake flavor like this. So we were like lost for flavors. We wanted to choose all of them, and you add it to the cart. You can add more flavors if you want, and then just check out. Yeah, so we wanted to add more flavors, but I think by then we pressed the wrong button, so we went back and did the process again. And in 27 seconds you get your cupcake. Let's watch the big door. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming up soon. Like, share, subscribe.